the day, there are so many people that use expensive products, expensive skincare, and their skin is not still skinning, you get. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Blossom Chinwe. So on today's topic, we'll be talking about affordable yet effective skincare products for beginners. Keywords: affordable and effective. So let's just dive right into it. Like I've always mentioned in my videos, there are 3 basic steps for skincare, especially if you're a beginner and you are on a very tight budget. There are 3 basic steps. They include cleansing, moisturizing, and protection. First and foremost, let me say this: you don't need to go extreme in your skincare routine. You don't need to break your bank to afford all those expensive products, because at the end of the day, there are so many people that use expensive products, expensive skincare, and their skin is not still skinning, you get. The number 1 step is cleansing, and I'll be listing the various, I wrote them down actually, so pardon me if I'm reading from my book, because I wrote a list of products that you can make use of. So cleansing is the first thing you have to incorporate in your skincare routine. You have to cleanse, you have to wash your face, and the first product I'll be talking about is the Dudu Osun bar soap. Dudu Osun is a very good black soap that you can make use of. It can be used for both your face and your body. It will help you to tackle most of your skin challenges, even acne. The only problem I have with Dudu Osun is that it can be a little bit drying on the skin. So once you know you want to make use of Dudu Osun, try as much as possible to look for a good moisturizer. The next one is T3 face wash. I've made use of this in the past and it was really good. This is one face wash that is affordable yet effective. The next one is the Beauty Formula Vitamin C face wash. All these products that I'm talking about, I'm going to list them on the screen. This face wash is also good. It will not over dry your skin. It will just wash off the dirt and impurities from your face without stripping your skin of its natural oil. The next one I have on my list is the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Cleansing Foam. Now this is just like the tea tree face wash. It's a cleansing foam. It can serve as a face wash. You can just use it to wash your face, and it is actually very good. All Nivea products are really good. And the next on my list is the Simple Face Wash. This face wash is what I'm currently using. I love this face wash so much. Like, it's hydrating yet it cleanses the skin very, very well. Then the next on my list is the Dove bar soap. This Dove bar soap stands out because it is a bar soap and it cleanses your face mildly, and it doesn't strip out the natural oils from your face, and it can be used for both face and body. So if you are on an extremely tight budget, I would suggest you go for this Dove bar soap, because the other cleansers I mentioned are only to be used on the face. They come in small bottles, so they are only to be used on the face, but this Dove bar soap can be used for both your face and your body. The one I'm talking about comes in a 4-in-1 pack. It comes in single pack, but I think it's best to get the 4-in-1 pack, and you know that you have a soap that would last you for 2 to 3 months. Yeah. So the next step is moisturizer. Now, after cleansing, your face will be a little bit dry depending on the cleanser you made use of. So for you to keep your skin hydrated, you need to get a moisturizer, and I'll be listing affordable moisturizers for you. Number 1 on my list is the Face Fact Vitamin C moisturizer. I just realized that Face Fact have varieties of skincare products that are really very good. I'm a huge fan of that brand. So you can get Face Fact Vitamin C moisturizer. Contains vitamin C, and vitamin C would help to brighten your skin. It will help to protect your face from free radicals. Vitamin C is one product that I love, one ingredient that I love so much. Next on my list is Beauty Formula Vitamin C moisturizer. This moisturizer also contains vitamin C, and it will help to brighten your complexion. Okay, then the next on my list is Face Fact Step 4 Hyaluronic Acid. The reason why I like this particular face moisturizer is because it contains hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is one ingredient that would help to attract moisture to your face. Like, it will leave your face looking supple and plump and glowy and moisturized. So I'm a huge fan of this particular product. Now the next on my list is simple moisturizer. I'm currently making use of this moisturizer, and so far so good. It's good, it's lightweight, it's hydrating, it's not so heavy on your skin, it keeps your skin moisturized. All these moisturizers that I'm listing for you, they are good for all skin types, whether you are sensitive, whether you have sensitive skin, or you have dry skin, or you have combination, whatever skin type you fall in, these moisturizers are suitable. The next on my list is Vits Gold Sunblock Vitamin C Moisturizer. Now I've made use of this face cream in the past. Yeah, the reason why I am incorporating it here is because it is a sunblock cream. It contains SPF, which protects your face from the sun and its damages, and it's also a face cream. The only problem I have with this Vits Gold is that it is not really moisturizing. So if you're using a soap like Dudu or Shum, I would advise you to stay clear from this face cream because it's not moisturizing. Another thing I have with it is that it's actually scarce. The one with vitamin C is actually scarce, but if you can place your hand on it, if you can find it, please buy it. You're going to get 2-in-1: a face cream, a face moisturizer, and a sunblock. So the next on my list is the Goji Berry face cream. It contains hyaluronic acid and retinol. So if you are suffering or you're struggling with fine lines, premature aging, this product is good for you. It's going to make you have this young glow. Now let's move on to the last step for beginners. The last step is sunscreen. Now the problem with sunscreen is, no matter how you look at it, sunscreens are expensive, but they are very necessary, my dear. They are very necessary. Do not skip your sunscreen. Like I mentioned earlier, these 3 steps: cleansing, moisturizing, and and protection, which is the sunscreen, are the steps that you cannot even negotiate. There's no negotiation when it comes to them. You cannot say, let me just skip one and do the other one. You must incorporate these 3 steps in your skincare routine. So let's talk about sunscreen. Sunscreens are expensive. The ones that are not expensive are the ones that will give you white cast. You'll be looking like Ojuju Calabar. I have like few sunscreens that are below 10,000 naira that I'm going to share with you, and these sunscreens are really good. They will give you maximum protection from the sun, and they will not leave white cast. Number 1 on my list is the Aqua Skin sunscreen. It is lightweight, it is easily absorbed into your skin, it gives your skin 100% protection from the sun. So yeah, that's number 1 on my list. The next one I have is the Bio UV. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Bio UV. Now this is another good sunscreen. It is a Japanese sunscreen. Even the Aqua Skin sunscreen is also a Japanese sunscreen. This sunscreen is also very good. It will not leave you white cast. Another one I have on my list is the Vaseline sunscreen SPF 50. It is also really good. You know, Vaseline products now, they are top notch. The next items I'm going to talk on now, I finished talking on the basic skincare products and I've given my recommendation on what to use. So this next step now are what I term as secondary. The reason why I did not add them into the basic skincare routine was because, 1, you are on a budget. So if I start adding everything, your money is going to finish. Okay, you are on a budget, and 2, you can actually do without them. But these 3 ones, that the 3 basic steps that I mentioned, are the ones that you cannot do without. There is nothing like skincare if you don't add those ones, but these ones you can actually do without them. But if you want to get more positive results in your skincare, if you want to see more changes, if you want to see more results, then you need to add these 3 steps now that I'm going to mention: toners, serums, and exfoliants. Toners, serums, and exfoliants. Now, why do you need a toner? A toner would help to balance your pH. It helps to soothe the skin. It's just like you're preparing your skin for other products that are going to enter inside, you get. So that is what a toner serves as. A toner too can also be used to double cleanse. Let's say after washing your face with your face wash and the rest, you can also use a toner to remove the other remaining dirt that did not come off after using your face wash. Okay, so the number one toner I'm going to mention is the Clean and Clear Blackhead Cleanser. It is a cleanser, but it can serve as a toner. This is very good. It is very good for people that have acne prone skin, oily skin. I would highly recommend this cleanser to you. I made a review on this particular product, so kindly do well to check that review, especially if you have acne or if you're suffering from acne. So the next one I'm going to mention, it's a beauty formula product. Now this toners come in sets. It's a toning pad, guys. When I came across this product, I was wild. I didn't know that beauty formula had this particular product. It comes in hyaluronic acid exfoliating toning pad. It comes in vitamin C exfoliating toning pad, niacinamide exfoliating toning pad, and various others. I'm going to leave pictures of them on the screen. So this toner, these two can serve as toners. Now the next on my list is serum. This category of secondary skincare steps, I believe that the serum is the serum is the most important, okay, because serums usually contain actives in high concentration. Now these actives can be used to target various skin concerns. Let's say you are suffering from hyperpigmentation, you need a vitamin C serum or a niacinamide serum. If you're suffering from premature aging, fine lines and wrinkles, you need like a retinol serum. If you're suffering from dryness or you have dry and flaky skin, you need a hyaluronic acid serum. You get, so based on what you want, you can even incorporate 2 types of serum in your skincare routine based on what you want and based on what you can afford, okay. But all the serums I'm going to be listing are very affordable and effective serum. Number one is a vitamin C serum. There are different types of vitamin C serum. We have the Dr. Rochon vitamin C serum, we have the popular Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum, and we have Balance vitamin C serum. These are the serums that I've made use of, and they are pretty affordable and effective. This Balance Active vitamin C serum has 3 variants of vitamin C, and it is super effective. It is more effective than the Dr. Rachel and the Rochon vitamin C serum. So if you can afford it, kindly do so. But if you can't afford it, don't stress yourself, my dear. Just get the Rochon vitamin C serum or the Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum. The bottom line is that you're going to get your results, but at a slower pace, okay? So slow and steady. No matter the skincare products you're making use of, just be consistent and be patient, and you're going to get your results. And if you don't want to get vitamin C serum, you can get niacinamide serum. Balance Active has its own niacinamide serum, and it is pretty affordable and good. Then for the retinol, if you don't want vitamin C serum, you can get retinol. Maybe your own concern is for wrinkles and premature aging, you can get the goji berry vitamin C serum. This is affordable. It contains retinol and hyaluronic acid, so you're getting 2 in 1: anti-aging and hydration. And if you want a hydrating serum, you can get the Balance Active hyaluronic acid serum, or you get the Dr. Rachel hyaluronic acid serum. These serums are good and they are affordable. The last one I'm going to talk about, the last step now, is exfoliation. When I mentioned types products under toners, I mentioned exfoliating toners. Now the products that I listed, I recommended to you, are products that would exfoliate your skin and also tone your skin, so you really don't need an exfoliant, okay. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, but before I leave, this is just an advice. Please be patient. All these skincare products now that I mentioned or I recommended to you are things that would work with time, okay. None of these products will whiten you or will bleach you or will damage your skin, okay. So do not look for the fast route to getting a good skin. Slow and steady wins the race, okay. So be patient, be consistent, and trust me, you're going to see good changes in your skin, okay. You have to pick one product and try them out, and if you're already using any of this product, please share with me in the comment section how they've been working for you. So please, if you have reached to the end of this video and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for now? Am I not trying? Please, I beg you, support me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, please like, it's very important, drop comments, and God bless you. So until I see you on my next video, have a wonderful week. Bye.